To ensure the success of your SynSisal carpet after installation, follow these important guidelines. First, consider traffic restrictions. It is recommended that pedestrian traffic be limited to necessary installation personnel only for a minimum of 24 to 48 hours to allow adhesives to cure properly. Premature or excessive traffic can cause installation failure. Next, be mindful of water exposure. Advise client and/or builder to restrict the carpet's exposure to water from cleaning or other sources for a minimum of 30 days. Additionally, ensure the room temperature does not fall below 10 degrees Celsius. When it comes to protective covering, avoid covering the carpet with any impervious protective material to prevent serious damage due to condensation, as per the current standards for textile floor coverings. If protection is necessary, use a breathable material to allow moisture from the adhesive to escape. You may use plywood, masonite, pressboard or other hardboards, especially if the carpet will be exposed to rolling traffic. Like most textile floor coverings, flat woven carpet can be damaged by the mechanical action of sharp edges and heavy objects. Use furniture sleds to distribute weight or rolling dollies when necessary, but not sooner than 24 hours after installation. Do not pull loose yarns. Clip them at the base to prevent unraveling. Remove loose fibres and, if necessary, use sharp napping scissors. By following these post-installation care guidelines, you'll ensure the longevity and appearance of your SynSisal carpet.